back to Hello High for another quick and easy cannabis recipe by me. And today I'm showing you how to make banana pudding, good old-fashioned banana pudding using Canna Sugar. Now I infuse my Canna Sugar with a 3-to-1 sugar to tincture ratio to make my sugar not as strong, but when I finished the banana pudding, it still came out to about 30 milligrams per half a cup. So if you want something stronger, just up the ratio on your tincture to sugar. And if you haven't learned how to make tincture yet or sugar, I'll make sure I leave the links above and below. And if you're ready to start making that banana pudding, let's get started. Recipe, you'll need vanilla wafers, ripe bananas, milk, flour, eggs, vanilla extract, and Canna Sugar. For this recipe, I'm using the double boiler method to make the banana pudding. It makes it very simple, and I think it's the best way to prevent your pudding from coming out lumpy or burning. So start by adding 3/4 of a cup of Canna Sugar, a 1/3 cup of flour, and a dash of salt to a medium-sized mixing bowl, and use a whisk to combine and then set it aside. Next, I'm using 2 small bowls to separate 3 egg yolks. I find it easier to spoon out each egg yolk rather than trying to crack and catch each yolk in the shell, but please feel free to use the best method that works for you. And